Have you ever heard traders talk about iceberg orders and wondered what they were? Today I was trading Google and I ran into an iceberg. And so I recorded this video so you can see what an iceberg is. And I really want you to watch the level 2 here as the price comes down to around 312.60. You're going to see it come down and hit right here. And there's an order there right now. And it says there are an order for 20,000. But if you look here as it comes down to that 312.60 mark, that order just keeps filling more and more. You'll see it go down a little bit and then it comes back up to 20,000. And every time the bid drops into there, it just keeps going back up. A few orders get filled, it goes down a little bit, and then it comes back up. Now this is an iceberg order. And this is somebody who is trying to disguise the size of their order. Usually it's a large institution. They need to make a big purchase. They don't want to show it all in the books. So what they do is they put in a reasonable sized order. And then when the price comes down to fill it, they keep putting in more and more orders. So you'll see it fills and it goes up. And you'll see here it's actually now increased to 40,000 shares at that level for this order. And this, again, is just people disguising what they're trying to do. They don't want people to know that they really have a huge order to fill at that level. And you see there, we just filled that entire order, but now it just popped back on with another 20,000 shares. This is an iceberg. And when you run into these, you have to be careful because sometimes you don't know how big they are and the price just could keep sticking at this level and then eventually reject it because the market makers just don't have enough orders in their inventory to fill that order. Or eventually it will break and drop down. But you do need to be careful and be aware of what an iceberg is. I hope you learned something today. Make sure to like and subscribe.